Thutha wa igoti inene ria Kiambu kuiga mohoyo kurutithio wira kwa riboti ya urumwe gatagati ga thirikari na mung'ethaniro muhandi CIRA akiuga koya kugia na githagathago gia gigatiba riu koya kugia na ndũgamano hiyo ya miena yeri thutha wa AZIMIO kuga CIRA uyu ni njama ya thirikari gutianiria riboti ino amu matiari na bata wa mĩario kuma kiambĩrĩria.
Bado kuna hali ya kutoaminiana, kuna hali ya kuharibu makubaliano, na ndio mimi nashangaa kwamba it appears to us it's a deliberate scheme to go against what was agreed at Bomas. This can only mean that our friends on the other side never had the goodwill and the faith.
CIRA uria uhanditwo ni muteteri wa ihoto cia umundu Michael Muchemi augite riboti ire iri mbere ya kamiti ya watho na kihoto bunge-ini ingihitukio na njira ya gutabania mogaruruku kugerera bunge ri gukorwa igeria ya guthoga gatiba.
Do we have others sponsoring court action? Because it's very easy to know who is behind court action. Sisikia sijui Kiambu, napelekwa Kiambu, sijui tapelekwa kwingineko. Therefore, I'm asking both William Ruto na Raila Odinga to stand up and stamp the authority on what we agree.
CIRA uyu uria urongoreirie makiria kurugamio kwa uthurimi wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2022 AZIMIO yugite ubi wa IBC njeru ndugukinyanira matari na mwihoko githurano kia mwaka wa 2022 ni kiari na waragania.
Tunaamini ya kwamba hii ni njama na ni njama ya hii serikali, sababu Kenya Kwanza hawakutaka ile report. Ni pressure ya maandamano ilifanya wakakuja Bomas kwa mazungumzo, na yale ambao walikuja Bomas ya wananchi walikataa kushukisha ushuru sababu wana nia ya kuongeza ushuru tena.
Kalonzo Musyoka arauga ni makoretwo makimenyithio ni abunge ya AZIMIO ati kuri na njama ya gwikururia kamiti-ini ya watho iri thukiirwo wira wa kurutithio wira kwa icunjĩ 4 cia riboti ino.
At this particular time, Kenyans will have their options open if they feel they have been taken for a ride, because this document was presented and should have been passed as it is.
Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.